Ate Iloy yan natin, Donna.
I'm receiving. I'm very receiving.
Donna is me.
Sabi ko na eh, hawak-hawak ko nung kanta kanina eh.
Parang unfair ba daw yung pare-pareha? Only the back? Oh, only the back. Only the back? Okay, one more.
Idaling ko na ito sa group ko. Diba?
Perfect.
I'll be home for Christmas.
That's it.
Ikain mo lang.
You don't want to give away the place.
No, I'm gonna have to share it with
And
Annie.
for
With
Wednesday,
Donna.
we should bring the
What's that
picture.
Wednesday?
Yeah. Wednesday. Later. Is Team Bangan.
So Wednesday for what nurses do, the winner is
Team
Workaholic.
Maganda yung tayo.
Workaholic?
Yeah, workaholic.
Oh, okay, the three of them is here.
Yeah, let's go.
One application, guys.
Wait, 7 days vacation no pay. Let's go.
7 days vacation. Let's picture.
Okay, maybe one day with pay.
That's your team.
Wait, oh my God!
You don't know your team?
No, right, it's like everywhere. Wait, you can't.
Okay, wait. Okay.
You won't join the dance.
Okay, one more.
Ay, one more.
1, 2, 3, smile. Alright, 1, 2, 3, smile. One more.
Hindi mo na.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. There he is.
The winner for Thursday.
Thursday, of course.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Chips.
Chips.
My gosh.
You got 7 votes because I think you brought 7 residents. So,
Oh,
I don't the picture, the one they vote because you only got one. Just
from
kidding.
the residents and 2 points from head office.
Wow.
The Vicky version.
Do you want to give away? Asa to Diana? Give away?
Put all their names.
Oh, the ones that
Walang nguya-nguya mo.
All the ones that
May ako wala.
raffle. Yes.
So since we are the winner daw, we'll put the raffle down.
Kapit ko na yan. Iba-ibang team.
Before you guys go, if you haven't signed Adeline and Joyce's
Elijah.
card, please do sign.
I signed it already.
They are included with the nurses.
Where's our gift for them?
Yeah, she went to.
And how about the gift?
She went for shopping.
Shopping for plants. They make it.
Hawak-hawak talaga.
They also have gifts for everyone.
Ayaw mawala yung regalo niya. Wow.
Because I need to eat again.
Okay, what is your favorite color? What is your favorite color?
Pink! Joke.
For me, it's green.
No, green.
Wait lang.
Green.
Ganito lang yung pick nila, te. Okay lang? Light.
Whatever your heart breaks.
Wow, hard. Oh, anyone who wants this color? Come on.
Me. I want the yellow.
Thank you.
How about you, Ate?
Green ate, first green.
How about you?
Purple daw.
Ay, sorry.
Thank you all for celebrating Nurses Week.
Thank you, madam. Kahit sabit-sabit na yung brace mo.
Yellow sabi mo ating, di ba?
Green.
Ay, sorry.
Green.
Ikaw, kuya, okay lang.
I give it to you. I transfer my favorite color to you. May
You want 1 million? Ate, what color?
Ay, babalik niya.
Elijah,
My God, ballpen again.
Elijah.
Good.
Hindi man lang inantay na makauwi bago mag-comment. Pasigaw ka na.
Mars kasi busog ka na eh. Busog ka na.
Okay na, uwi na ako.
Grabe, marami pa na upstairs. Yellow, Tess? Where's Donna? I hear something. How about you, Tess? Ay, dahil naka-blue
I have to bring this one to my group kasi nga, bubuksan namin. I'll be back, guys. I'll be back before
Are you sure?
Open it. Yeah. I will just open it.
I want very cheap.
I'm cheap. Yeah.
Ipasok pa tayo guys sa Tim Hortons.
I'm gonna show you.
May pumotok guys. May pumotok. Hindi namin alam kung ano yun. Hoy, say hi to your fans. Hi.
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 Hi
Say
there.
hi to your fans. Baby girl.
Because our kids like purple and pink, so one for Michael and there. Take a picture now.
Ano yan, live? Kanina ka pa nagla-live ah. Welcome to my vlog.
Ay, that's the one that
Wow.
we're waiting for. Okay, ano
What's that? Gift card? Oh, okay, go, Jonah.
This is it, guys, for shopping.
Wow, shopping. 100 years. Wag naman, madam. Happiness na lang.
Tears and sweat.
Okay, whoever was here.
Ay, hindi. Stress. 100 times next you got. There. I want you the... Thanks, ate. Dapat ma'am, we should have bingo also eh. Hmm?
Para fair.
Michelle,
Michael,
Ate, see.
okay, it's time to go.
Yeah.
Okay, big. Yay.
Matigas. Yes, ma'am. There. Thank you so much.
Ito mga tuti, wala na dito. What color do you like?
This is for Eloisa.
Thank you.
Ate, asan kay Michael? No, ate. There.
Okay.
Hi.
With your bags and then when you're done eating.
Nauna na daw.
Thousand ten.
Sheila is very late and very demanding.
Who just tell you? I know a picture now with us.
Wow. Here's our beautiful LPF. Oh,
Is it live?
yeah.
10 stars, guys.
Shout out to the one and only.
Hi, delivery.
Okay, let's clean here and take a picture.
I gave some the chips to Bev because
Where is the picture now?
The picture is somewhere over the...
Somewhere over the rainbow.
That's your gift?
Yeah, and some ID, something. I can go to the ID thing.
Ah.
Come on, let's take a picture. You still got work to do. Maybe you forgot already.
At Loisa,
Yes, ma'am. I have double job too, ma'am.
and Abby.
Hey guys, oh sexy naman this girl.
I'm good.
Hi.
Let's take a picture na invitation.
Tingnan ba ako?
Ay, ang ganda naman.
Uy, evening shift and no shift.
Guys, di ko alam kung may tinga-tinga. Brush muna tayo. Let's go!
Let's go ito.
Magbabrush. So yun na nga guys, may pasok pa tayo sa Tim Hortons. May pasok pa tayo guys sa Tim Hortons. Picture muna tayo guys daw. Okay. Oh, okay, compress. Ganyan na. yung video natin, panoorin nyo na lang mamaya. Ha? Mag-hi ka muna dun sa, sa mga fans club natin. Saan? Dito naman. Yung asawa po ni, panawagan po.
Sabi ko nasa yung
Panawagan po sa asawa po ni,
Hello po dati, kita magkikita tayo bukas ha. Dapat nakaganon no? Sarah Jane, when is your kidding? Sorry. Sarah Jane pala. Lakit? Uy, more closer over here. Tawag mo na ito ha? What? By height ito. Yung ay wag. Wala namang gift card. Sige po. 1, 2, 3. Bakit? No money. Give me your money. One more. Everyone. 1, 2, 3. Waki. Hey. Waki. Show us your cards. Show us your cards.
guys.
Naka-live ka ba? Walang hiya ka?
Alive nga yan, ma'am.
Ano ba yan? Walang hiya yan? We're the rest of the day shift.
What's the day shift?
Evening shift.
Oh, let's go now.
Let's go. Don't me.
Thank you, madam.
Or you come back here on your breaks.
Time na ba, ma'am?
Ay, binabastos ka, oh.
Ay, sorry about that.
No, you
Okay,
go
okay.
now.
Okay.
Annabelle?
Yeah, I don't know.
Wala, binitin mo eh.
Oh, that's double meaning. Okay, guys. Magbabrush na tayo ng teeth. Ay, na-forget ko guys yun. Sorry guys, ayan. Ang gulo namin guys, no? So may pasok pa po ako guys sa Teams. So hindi ko alam kung may sabit-sabit tayo. Pero magbabrush na tayo dito. Sabi ko naman guys, malilate ako. Sabi ko sa Tim Hortons. Brush muna tayo. Magpag-uwi. Hindi na tayo magpag-brush guys. Sayang guys na putol yung video natin. Kasi natumba yung cellphone ko. So hindi ko siya agad na-play. Habang nagbibigay sila ng award. So madali ang tutorial na to guys ha. Kasi dadaan pa ako ng wash of wish. So, nakita niyo na lang guys. Ang dali lang kinain. Isang plato ng pasta. Mixed with walawok. Madali na tayo guys. Kasi sabi ko magpapakancel na lang ako ng shift guys. sa Tim Hortons kung hindi busy. Kaso nga lang guys, galing doon si Kate kanina. Sa Tim's. May pasok yung asawa niya guys. And yung pila daw hanggang sa labas. So, sabi ko na kay Yini is magpapalit na lang ako. Hindi ko po kasi naka-request na ano pala yun. Nurse week po namin ngayon. And today is the last day, Friday. Kain. Yes. Ayan.
May tiya ako na. Ay!
Sige lang, Mars. So, where is
Sabi
Donna,
ko pa
ma'am?
mamaya, may tiya ako ng ngiti. May tiya pala ako.
Ma'am, ako nga, piniplex ko pa nga kahit may tinga. Andiyan pa si Donna? Sa MCC.
Hindi ka naman nakalive, naka-record lang eh.
Siyempre, ma'am. Ano na lang? Hindi pa tayo. When is your last day? Here, Matthew. Oh, gonna be sad. Bukas. Ano ba bukas na? I-text mo kita. Happy Mother's Day. Ako na yung gabi. Eh, may pasok naman ako ngayon. Daan, showcase. What time? O sige, pag maaga akong napauwi, daan ako dun. Yeah. Okay. Sure. Whatever our heart beats. I'll try my best. If they send me home early, then okay.
Ay, ko kasi nung ano, ang gusto ko yung tay-tay lang.
Okay.
Yung keep it to ourselves.
Okay.
So,
Yeah.
keep it to yours.
Yes, ma'am. I'll just change my shows. Okay, bye guys. Good night.
Bye, good night.
Bye. Ate Dayan. Yes, Besh. Ay.